You want to know the number one thing you need to know about point of view? It's psychic distance. That's right, I'm not talking about first person, second person, third person omniscient, all those neat little categories, which are all important to know. But psychic distance is what most writers need to know about, but they don't yet understand. What is it? Psychic distance is the distance between the reader and the character. For instance, if you write a line like, "The fat guy ate a hot dog," well, that's very far psychic distance. As the character, he's not describing himself as being overweight eating a hot dog. On the other hand, what if you talked about the hot dog tasted delicious as it slid down his throat? Well, that's much closer psychic distance, right? We're more inside this character's brain. We're experiencing what he's experiencing. So the way to use psychic distance is to figure out how close do you want to be to your character as you're creating them. Do you want to be inside their brain, having the reader experience what they're experiencing? Or do you want to step away and judge them more impartially from a distance? Whatever level of psychic distance you choose in your novel, you have to be consistent. So if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to be able to be consistent. I would recommend practicing this by writing different levels of psychic distance: close, medium, and far away.